welcome back to another video of BF Performance and Custom Exhaust. And today we have got this Cupra. It's coming in for a Backbox delete. The customer's already been in, we've had a look at the exhaust. He's already had a resonator delete which was fitted somewhere else, and we've had a measure up and it's got a standard Backbox on there now. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove that, we're going to fit a new custom Backbox delete, and he's also got some nice carbon fibre 4.5 inch tips, massive tips actually going on there, which we'll see later on in the video. We'll show you those. Let's have a quick walk around the car. Let's show you some of the bits on this car. It's a really nice machine. It's currently running 360 brake horsepower, which was mapped by Richard at UVR. There's a little plug for him. He's a great guy, Richard. He's pretty good at mapping. He does most of the mapping for our cars. So go over to his website, check him out. But I like what this guy's done to some of the bits on his car. Look at the headlight tints. I like those. He's also done some bronze hints as well, which is on the front of the car. Really set the car off looking nice. He's also fitted some bowler wheels, nice bronze colour, match the car really well, go with everything else. He's also fitted skirts as well and spoiler lip, that looks nice. Now, we're going to get this car in now. Harry's going to start stripping the exhaust off. Then we're going to have a measure up, work out the pipe that we need and make that exhaust for him. Let's get the car in, let's get some work done. As you can see, he's fitted some 19 inch bowler alloy wheels on there in the nice bronze colour. I'll tell you what, they do match the car pretty well. They look really nice. He's also gone for the Maxim Design rear diffuser, side skirts and front splitter. And I'll tell you what, that makes a huge difference, doesn't it? It looks so much more sportier and improves the look of the car by loads. I think it looks ace really with those on. Right, so let's get this car in. We've got the exhaust to make. Harry's going to take that exhaust off, the old exhaust. Then we'll do a measure up and we'll work out what pipe we're going to need. It's going to be a 2.5 inch system with those 4.5 inch tips. So let's get the car in and let's crack on.
Just unpacked the 4.5 inch carbon tips. This is what the customer specifically asked for. As you can see, on the original tips they're more of an oval shape compared to the circle. I think he's gone down the right route and they'll look bang on when they're on the car. There's a few different options when coming to tips, but that's more of a customer's preference and we let them choose. He chose these ones and I think he's picked the best option. As you can see, they'll fit that gap perfectly and all is good. Let's crack on.
Right, we've gone out, we've splashed out, we bought a new Evolution chop saw. Now, hopefully this is going to help speed the job up really. What we were doing originally, we were just cutting the pipe with our grinder and cutting discs, which was working okay, but you didn't always get a nice perfect cut. And when you are welding exhaust tube together, you want to get a nice bulk joint and then you can get a better weld as well. And it saves in time as well. So hopefully this is going to cut down a lot of time as well when we're making these exhausts. So let's open it up, let's get it out and let's give it a test run. Let's see how it chops that exhaust tube. Let's go. that's it now. The job is complete and it's turned out pretty well. Quite straightforward really. We've done the back box delete and then we've added those 4.5 inch tips, which is what the customer wanted. I think they look pretty impressive and it also sounds really well. Now this guy is part of, this customer is actually part of the group Midnight Lancs on Instagram. Now if you bob over to their Instagram, check them out. They are a car group in Lancashire who host events like car meets. They also do fundraisers, events, all sorts of stuff like that to do with cars and customised cars. So head over there, check them out. That's a shout out to them boys. And if you are part of their group and you've got one of their stickers on their car, on your car, bob over to us because we will offer you 15% discount on any mod. Like that includes exhaust, intakes, anything like that. Just check us out, bob over to give us a message, drop us a message on Insta, on YouTube, anywhere like that. You'll find us on Facebook or go to our website, you'll get our number off there. Just drop us a message, we'll price it for you, show us your sticker and we'll give you that 15% discount. And that's it guys, please like, please subscribe if you like this video, and if you have got a Cupra, drop some messages in the comments below. Tell us what mods you would do next. So that's it guys, see you next time.
Right, I'm about to unpack the 4 inch. Yeah, we're going off. I'm about to unpack the 4.5 inch carbon tips now and see what they look like. Very
what?
nice.
Phone's ringing.
Okay, I'm about to unpack the 4.5 inch carbon tips now to see what they look like in person.
In person.